Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Now, amidst news of several of Jamaica's top athletes switching training camps, World Under-20 sprint champion Alana Reid was coy when asked about her future. This as the 19-year-old was unveiled as a brand ambassador for a multinational fast food company. Alana Reid's 2024 season was a massive success, capped off by winning the World Under-20 100-meter title in Lima, Peru. It was part of a double gold medal winning performance for Reid, who anchored the 4x100-meter team to victory. She was guided by American coach Dennis Mitchell after joining the Florida-based Star Athletics last year after going professional. But the national junior 100-meter record holder shied away from telling TVJ Sports whether she had committed her future to the club of world champion Sha'Carri Richardson.
I wish not to say at the moment. You guys will see. I mean, wherever I am, I'll do my best. I mean, only my best is good enough. I'll go back to training and do what I have to do. But as for right now, being on rest, I'm just taking the time to relax. And then when it's time to go back to training, I know that that's where my focus will be.
Reid, who ran 10.92 seconds at the ISA Boys and Girls Championships in 2023 to set a new national under-20 standard, says she hasn't set any particular time goals, even as she looks forward to improvement next season.
I don't put limits on myself, so I can't give a specific time, but I know that I know what I'm capable of doing. So just for me to go out there and stay focused as usual, and I know that anything I believe once again I can achieve. So I know that I'm being out there and I'm training and putting in the work. So it's just for me to see the results.
Reid was unveiled on Tuesday as a brand ambassador for fast food chain Burger King.
I mean, it's a great feeling being in partnership with Burger King. I mean, this is something that I used to motivate myself, and I hope other kids and athletes out there can look up to me and, just shoot for the stars.
Reid, who will turn 20 in January, featured on Jamaica's Olympic 4x100-meter team, which made the final in Paris, France this past summer.